How to install WhatsApp app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on Play Store app. Now here, so click on search and click on this keyboard. So after click on keyboard, so search WhatsApp app. So after click on WhatsApp app, so if you want to install WhatsApp app, so click on install. So after click on install, you will see your app is installed according to your internet connections. So you will see app is installing. So few minutes later, app is installed. So your app is installed 71%. So few seconds later you will see app is installed. So after the process, go back to home screen and go to app library. You will see WhatsApp app is showing on your home screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install WhatsApp app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.